Size. Tall and short. Hello everybody. Welcome back to today's math lessons video. In today's video, we will continue to learn about size and how tall or short some things are by looking at their sizes. We will show you how in these simple practices together. Which lamp is taller? The first lamp or the second? The first lamp is taller. The second lamp is not taller. It is shorter. Good. Which penguin is taller? The first penguin or the second? The first penguin is taller. The second penguin is not taller. It is shorter. Good. Which plant is taller? The first plant or the second? The second plant is taller. The first plant is not taller. It is shorter. Good. Let's continue. Which kangaroo is taller? The first kangaroo or the second? The first kangaroo is taller. The second kangaroo is not taller. It is shorter. Good. Which kid is shorter? The first kid or the second? The first kid is shorter. The second kid is not shorter, the second kid is taller. Good. Which tree is shorter? The first tree or the second? The second tree is shorter. The first tree is not shorter. It is taller. Good. Let's continue. Which cat is shorter? The first cat or the second? The first cat is shorter. The second cat is not shorter. It is taller. Good. Which fridge is shorter? The first fridge or the second? The second fridge is shorter. The first fridge is not shorter. It is taller. Good. Which chair is shorter? The first chair or the second? The first chair is shorter. The second chair is not shorter. It is taller. Good. That is all for today. Math is fun. See you in our next fun video.